Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Back in HSK 1 in Grammar 1.4.3, we learned about how to use n to express what about, as in, I'm Chinese, what about you? Do you remember how to say this? Yes. 我是中国人，你呢? Also back in HSK 1 in Grammar 1.9.4, we learned how to express I wonder with the construction question plus n. For example, where is he, I wonder? 他在哪儿呢? Now we're going to learn how to use n not as a question word, but a word that adds emphasis to the sentence. For example, how do you say, it's still early? Yes, 时间还早. If we add n at the end of the sentence, 时间还早呢, then it becomes more emphatic. It's like saying, it's still early, so it's not as bad as you thought, so just relax, it's still early. Here the listener thinks that maybe they're going to be late, but the speaker emphasizes that they still have plenty of time. To emphasize this contrast, the speaker adds a n at the end. The n emphasizes that the statement is contrary to what the listener believes, expects, or assumes. If you're Korean or Japanese, this n is similar to the Korean sentence ending ne, as in 아직 일찍이네, or in Japanese, 마다早い ですね. If you're Korean or Japanese, no doubt that you understand the sentence ending ne adds so much meaning to the sentence. Being able to use this n to add emphasis will make your Chinese much more expressive. So now let's take a look at more examples. The class starts at 8. It's still early. 8点上课，时间还早呢。8点上课，时间还早呢。This n expresses that there's still time, contrary to what the listener assumed. 8点上课，时间还早呢。Another example. How do you say the hospital is still far away from here? 医院离我们这儿还远。还 means still. 医院离我们这儿还远。So to add emphasis, we put n at the end of the sentence. 医院离我们这儿还远呢. This is telling the listener, hey, the hospital is still far away from here, so be patient. It's gonna be a long wait. 医院离我们这儿还远呢. Another example. How do you say it will take over an hour to get there by bus? 坐公共汽车要1个多小时. And how do you say the company is far, it will take over an hour to get there by bus? 公司很远，坐公共汽车要1个多小时. If you want to add more emphasis, like saying, this is much longer than a typical commute, then you add n at the end. 公司很远，坐公共汽车要1个多小时呢。公司很远，坐公共汽车要1个多小时呢。Let's take a look at how this grammar point is used in real life.
唉，坐公共汽车太慢了。
不慢，走路要1天呢。
我刚才说什么？不慢，走路要1天呢。It's not slow. It will take a day on foot. 不慢，走路要1天呢。More examples. How do you say, is David here? Yes. 大卫在吗? And to answer that, how do you say, he is still studying at the classroom? 他还在教室学习呢。他还在教室学习呢。Again, the n emphasizes that he is still at the classroom, despite the fact that you don't expect them to be here. Now please review the grammar point in your textbook in Lesson 7 under Notes number 4.